So let's take a look at what to expect today for your weather. 59 degrees right now in the metro area. The wind is calm. We don't have any fire danger, fire watches, fire warnings in our state. So that's always some good news, and things will be heating up. I always like to take a look at that Sandia Peak time lapse sometimes because it just looks so beautiful out there. And for many of us that have had to stay indoors as much as possible, here's a little glimpse of that nice nature and beautiful outdoors that we have in New Mexico. Satellite radar showing not a lot going on in our state. Looks like border states, we're seeing some activity, but thankfully for now, not a lot going on here. But of course, if you do plan to be outside today, we do need to be wearing our masks unless you are exercising, eating, or drinking something. Current temperatures across our state right now, though, you can see the southeastern portion, of course, always slightly warmer than the northwestern portion of our state. And of course, that will be heating up. This is our highs today. You can see that it's going up to 83 degrees over here in the metro area, southeastern portion. Thankfully, no triple digits, but it is still going to be pretty warm over there. Futurecast showing some isolated storms in our future. Different models are telling us different things, but you can see that by this afternoon near Clayton, you can start to see a little bit of that storm that I was talking about, and it continues to kind of grow and shift later on into tonight, and then into the morning things start to clear up until it comes back later on. So those are just a few things to look out for. Now let's fly on over to the southeastern portion of our state. Carlsbad, a high of 94, low of 61 degrees. Here is your 7-day forecast in Roswell. Looks like we've got some breezy conditions, and throughout the rest of the week you've got those temps in the low to high 90s. Taking a look at the southwestern portion of our state, Magdalena, a high of 79, low of 49 degrees. Here is the northwestern portion of our state. Cortez, high of 77, low of 39 degrees. Your 7-day forecast in Farmington. Looks like we're going to see some heat coming into our state. Got a heat wave moving in on Monday, up to a high of 89 degrees until those temps drop later on during your work week. The northeastern portion of our state, Taos, a high of 76, low of 39 degrees. And let's fly on over to your Santa Fe area. You can see a high of 76, low of 49 degrees. Moving on to your 7-day forecast in Santa Fe. Again, we are seeing a warmer Monday as well, starting that warming trend on Monday until those temps drop later on during your work week after some moisture moves in on Wednesday. Moving on to your East Mountains to Harris, a high of 79, low of 50 degrees. Let's fly on over to your Albuquerque metro area. Belen, high of 85, low of 50 degrees. Here you're looking the rest of your metro area. Downtown, high of 83. Looks like we've got sunny skies for our metro today. And here is your 7-day forecast in the metro area. Again, you can see those temps starting to climb, especially going into Monday. And then after that, some moisture moving in again before those temps start to drop. And here is a full look.